Hello friends, welcome to second semester of FY BSc. Now we are going to study the physics paper 201. Name of the paper is electricity and magnetism. Now within this course we have the 3 units, and out of that first we are starting with the first unit, vector analysis. So vector analysis. Vector analysis. Now, in previous standards, we have studied the vector algebra, and within that vector algebra, the various terms like vector product of two vectors, cross product of two vectors, multiplication of vector, type of vectors, unit vectors, definition of all vectors, zero vector, like this. So in advance now, also you have studied also the scalar quantities, vector quantities, and all these things. Now here we have to start with the field. So what do you mean by field? Field actually is a every physical quantity is a continuous function of position of a point in the region of a space. Now such function is called point function, and the region in which it specifies is known as field. So scalar field, this scalar field actually defined as it is a continuous scalar function which does not undergoes any abrupt change, any big change in a magnitude in passing from one point to another point is known as scalar field. The examples of this scalar field are the temperature of any point within the on the earth. Now gravitational potential due to the point mass, also the example of this type of field. Electrostatic potential due to the point charge is also the example of this scalar field. Now what do you mean by vector field? Actually a vector field represents a continuous vector function, and that continuous vector function at any point is specified by vector of definite magnitude and direction, and therefore while changing from while going from one point to another point, the direction as well as magnitude will be changed, and therefore this is known as the vector field. So examples are the velocity at any point with moving with some field, electric field at point due to the point charge, also the example. At any given instant, the rate of heat of flow is the example of vector field. So now differentiation of a vector. Now suppose A is the vector, say Ix plus Jay plus Kaz is a vector. So its derivative is dA by dt, that is equal to Ix dt plus Jay dt plus K into I will write again. So dA by dt, say dA by dt, that is equal to dAix by dt into I plus dAy by dt to J plus dH by dt into K. So this is the derivative of this vector. Now there are some rules of derivatives. First rule is the d by dt of A plus B. D by dt of A plus B. It is simply dA by dt plus dB by dt. Remember, these are the arrows over here. Now second second rule is d dt of a dot b, d dt of a dot b. So a dot db by dt plus dA by dt dot b dot b. Now third rule is we can have d by dt of a cross b, d by dt of a cross b, which is equal to a cross db by dt plus db dA by dt to cross d. So this is the third rule. And fourth rule is d dt of phi a, that is equal to phi into dA by dt, plus d phi by dt of a. So this is the rule. Now another rules that you study at home. So this is about the how definitions of scalar field, vector field, and rules of vector differentiation. Now we will continue in a next lecture.